What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I'm in the closing room, my favorite room in the world, and I close on another duplex here in New Orleans. You know, there's a lot of rumors that real estate prices are too high right now, but my mindset is that there are always deals to be found. And the way I think about it is that, you know, if a lot of people are thinking that it's difficult to find deals in the moment, then that actually means less people are actually looking, and there are more deals for me. So I'm always looking for deals. I don't care about national statistics. I don't care about market-based statistics. I always believe in my mind that there are deals to be found, and you have to believe it to see it. And because I believe it, I'm always the one that finds a deal. So never let the general statistics stop you from always staying on your game. Always be evaluating deals, and even in quote-unquote tough markets, you can still come through and win. So this is an example of you can always find deals. And so if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one here. Peace.